After I discovered this trick, my house smells like a rich man's house. To start this tip, I will put coarse salt in a container until filling. Next, we will add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. Tell me if you have any home tips to help keep your home clean and fragrant. I'd love to know. Do it at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Now I will add 50 milliliters of fabric softener. You can use the type you prefer. I myself was surprised with this product. The first time I used it with the help of a spoon. We will mix all the ingredients very well. To give a special touch, I'll put some cloves. You can use the amount you prefer. I always use a lot because I love the light and natural odor. Let's fill another container with coarse salt. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Eddie Nadga from Qatar. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Once again, I will put 2 tablespoons of alcohol. In the same way we did in the previous container, I will add 50 milliliters of fabric softener, but this time of a different type. You're gonna love this trick. Again, we will add some cloves over everything. I'm sure you'll love this trick. In the last container, I will also put coarse salt until filling. Even your family will ask you to teach them how to do it. So amazing that it gets done. Even I do it often in my home. To differentiate this from the last 2, I will add 4 tablespoons of disinfectant. I never again had to worry about bad smells in my home after I learned this infallible tip. Best of all, it's very simple to do. We will also add 2 tablespoons of alcohol in the same way as we did previously. With the help of a spoon, we will mix all the ingredients very well. Again, I will add some cloves. In addition to releasing a light and pleasant smell, the cloves work as a natural repellent. And our tip is already ready. Look how easy it is to do. It is perfect to spread throughout your home, ensuring it is always fragrant. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.